Okay, so question number 1 in work and energy is talking about an object that is going from a velocity of 10 meters per second to a velocity of 100 meters per second. And the question is, what is the work done during this distance? So the work done during that distance is the change in the kinetic energy. And the change in the kinetic energy is 1/2 by the mass times the final velocity squared minus 1/2 times the mass times the initial velocity squared. Now, if we just plug in our numbers, we know that the mass is 1. This is the final velocity 100, and this is the initial velocity 10. And if we solve this, we will get that the work done is approximately 5,000 joules. That is the work. And the question also asks us what force makes 5,000 joules. But we can't know what force makes 5,000 joules because a variety of forces can make 5,000 joules. All we know is that the force in the direction of the displacement times the displacement is equal to 5,000 joules. We also can't know the distance traveled by this object in this direction. All we know is that the force in the direction of the displacement by the displacement is 5,000 joules. So that's all we know. And since the object has 5,000 joules, it has plus 5,000 joules, which means that the object gained energy. It gained kinetic energy. It has a positive kinetic energy. And this also means that it can give away energy to other objects or to the system or the environment.